Good morning. Happy Thursday. So today is actually the ninth day of school for some of us. But for our kindergartens, today is actually the fourth day of school for y'all. So welcome aboard. We've been doing our reading comprehension. And so next week, what we're going to start? We're going to start doing some sight words. So the sight words will be able to help y'all to be able to identify them when you get ready to read them in a story. So we're going to do the reading comprehension. Remember I told you, put your name up top, first and last name. First and last name because you have a first and last name. And reading comprehension. And remember I told you, color the stars. You can do different colors if you want, or you can do the same color. So the title, I told you, always start with the title. And this one happens to be school. Well, how ironic that is, that we're in school and we're going to read about somebody else's school. So this is what the author wrote. So the title is school. So this is my school. Remember, there's a punctuation, so we stop, we breathe, and we go to the next sentence. It is red and big. She gives us some adjectives to describe how the school is. It is red and big. Those are adjectives that describes the noun, which is school. School is a noun because a noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. That's a noun. So what is the school? It is red and big. Period, breathe, read. I have a lot of friends. The author said they have a lot of friends at school. I like going to school. Oh, that's good. I like going to school, period. So let's read it again. School. This is my school. It is red and big. I have a lot of friends. I like going to school. So now off to the right. You know, they always give us comprehension questions, and those are to be able so we can answer to see if we understood what it is that we read. We want to always make sure that we have an understanding for what it is that we're reading. So we start with the question, my school is blank. So they give us some options here. So we have an A, a B, and a C. So A is red and little, B is red and big, C is blue and big. And remember I told you, with reading comprehension, always go back to your text because your answers are always right there in your text. You don't have to go outside of the text. Everything that you need is in this text. So my school is what? Let's see what it says. This is my school. It is red and big. Remember I told you underline. So that's your context clues. It told you where it was. Red and big. And circle B. So then the next question is number 2. I have a lot of what? Fools. B is pencils. C is friends. Let's see what it says. I have a lot of what? Friends. Awesome job. So then we're going to circle C for friends. So then our last question is, I like going to what? School. B is the store, or C is the farm. Then we go back to our text. I like going to school. There we go. We underline it, and then we circle A for school. So today we read our reading comprehension, which is school, which is ironic because we are in school. I like this one. And so you see the kids. Look at the picture at the bottom. I know it's in black and white, but you know, if it's in color, you probably can see it a little better. So that's the school in the background. Oops, look what Miss Alexis did. So that's the school in the background, and then you see the children outside of the school. So I hope you all have an awesome day. Remember, read your story. Circle those stars. Color those stars for me. Color those stars for me. Remember, in the line. Color in the line. I want to see some beautiful stars. I can't wait to get your pictures. Have an awesome day.